welcome to the Arm What Is program series. In each episode, we bring you a tech topic to give you insight and perspective into some of today's hottest design trends. I'm Brian Fuller, editor-in-chief at Arm, and today we're going to find out what is Arm SystemReady. And to help us with that, I want to introduce Dong Wei, standards architect and fellow with Arm's Architecture and Technology Group. When he's not helping us understand what is Arm SystemReady, Dong is responsible for the platform architecture specifications for Arm-based systems. He serves on the boards of many industry standards bodies, including the PCI-SIG, CXL Consortium, and the UEFI Forum. He's also an incubation committee member of the Open Compute Project Foundation. So let's dive right in. Dong, what exactly is Arm SystemReady?
Arm SystemReady is a compliance certification program based on a set of minimum hardware and firmware requirements, base system architecture, BSA, or the base boot requirements, BBR, plus a selection of supplements. Certified systems provide confidence that operating systems and subsequently layers of software would just work.
What's the goal? What's the purpose of Arm SystemReady?
Well, the purpose of this Arm SystemReady is to enable the Arm-based systems to be easily and widely deployed. To get there, the users must have the experience that software would just work. This is actually challenging in the horizontally integrated market where one company does not own the complete hardware and software stack. On the one hand, we must provide sufficient hardware and firmware standardization that the operating systems can depend upon. Otherwise, it would be cost prohibitive to maintain and support the software that must be customized per system. On the other hand, we need to make sure Arm architecture's core value proposition of innovation and differentiation is enabled for our partners. We must strike a balance. This is why we define the minimum hardware and firmware requirements expected by the operating systems, and then innovations and differentiations can be added on top.
Does Arm SystemReady cover all devices?
Arm SystemReady is designed to cover devices based on the Arm V8 and V9 A-profile CPU architecture. We actually started the effort initially on servers with the original ServerReady program that we launched in 2018. Since then, we realized that some hyperscalers have different firmware requirements for servers. And we have extended the coverage to the edge and IoT devices, including SmartNICs. This led to the SystemReady program that we launched in 2020. We also certified a few workstations, as well as a reference development platform targeting the software-defined vehicles. SystemReady is intentionally designed to be flexible to cover other devices as the market needs expand. We established the baseline minimum hardware requirements called BSA as the foundation. Different market segments and different operating systems have different firmware requirements and may need supplement hardware requirements. We do not have one solution that fits all. Currently, we have 4 bands, SR and LS for the server market, IR and ES for the embedded market. SR is a superset of ES, which is in turn a superset of IR. So a device that can be ES certified does not need to be IR certified, unless, of course, it needs to support a specific OS that requires firmware interfaces like device tree. In addition, we also have a security interface extension that covers the support of secure boot, secure firmware update, and trusted platform modules interfaces.
So Dong, SoCs in the edge and IoT markets are said to be not compliant to BSA today. What is Arm doing to help address that?
Well, Arm is working with the EDA vendors and silicon providers on a pre-silicon compliance program to verify the BSA and SBSA compliance before tape-out. For the current generations of the SoCs already on the market, we also have created waiver policies in the IR and ES band certifications. We have worked with the partners on the firmware and in some cases, operating system workarounds with limited capabilities.
So what's been the industry's reaction to Arm SystemReady?
We have actually received strong support in the ecosystem for the operating system vendors, silicon providers, EDA vendors, independent firmware vendors, OEM, ODMs. So far, we actually have already issued over 40 certifications to these devices.
Well, thanks, Dong. It sounds like Arm SystemReady is a vital way to accelerate design innovation today. Now, check out all our other What Is episodes here and be sure to subscribe to the channel because we'll be adding more as the year progresses. Thanks for listening.